I'm going back to the 7 rules. What are the 7 rules? 6 were given to Adam when he was chased out from the Garden of Eden. It was adultery, blessing the name of God, bloodshed, incest, robbery, and also to have courts, to establish courts, to have laws. So, to emphasize the importance of rules, I will give an example. Just imagine a soccer field with 22 people on the field that don't know the rules of the game. The result is going to be chaos because each one is going to invent his own rules. And without godly GPS, people won't be able to manifest themselves. As a car, as a manual of the manufacturer, also we need to have a manual, a godly manual to the rules that how he is expecting us to exist here without chaos. So the precepts are covenant with the Creator, between the Creator to us. So how do we connect to this force? In the time of Mount Sinai, when Moses received the 10 Commandments, he truly received 613 rules, spiritual rules for the people of Israel. But for all the nations, he received again, it was renewed, he received the 7 laws of Noah.